Hello Makale, welcome back to PathToExpert video series. For people who are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also follow me in all the social platforms. Let's get into today's video. It's day 11 and today we'll be seeing about how to make NextJS application SEO compatible. So here if you see, I have a bootstrapped NextJS application using Create Next app. And I have two pages. One is my index page where I just have a button with a link to the cats page. And in cats page, I just make a API call and display all the cat codes. It's the same application like we used in React and SEO. For people who never checked React and SEO video, please check that and come to this video so you will have a better understanding. If you see, I just have a home page with a button which says go to codes, and clicking on this, it takes me to cat codes, a new page, which is our components in the application. And if you see in both the places, I don't have any title for the web page. Also, if I try to export this and check how it looks in the previews, I have exported it. Also, now I'm exporting it to the internet and going to check how this looks in the Twitter preview. You see here there is no preview for this web pages. Hence, this is not SEO compatible. So how do we make this website SEO compatible? We need to add a title, we need to add meta tags, we need to add OG tags, and we can also add rich structures. In React application, we have to use an external library called React Helmet to dynamically load title and tags. But in NextJS, there is a component which is given by NextJS itself for the same purpose. That is our head component. Now let's add some title and meta tags to our home page. Now we have added some title and meta tags to our home page. Let's go and repeat the process. I'm refreshing the page, exporting it again to the internet, copying the URL and trying for a preview. Ta-da! Now we have a beautiful preview for our web page. But this is only for our index page now. What if we need a separate preview for our cats codes page? Now let's try how cats codes page looks in the preview. We can add one. We can just copy the head thing again into cats page and maybe make some changes. Maybe the title can be cats codes, and then a simple website can be a list of cat codes. I'll save this. Now I'll go and refresh the page. I'll export it again to the internet. Copy the new URL. Paste it here and go for a preview. Ta-da! If you see here, now I have a different preview for my cats page and a different preview for my home page. Not just previews, you can also add different meta tags, different title, different fave icon for all your different pages. This is the beauty of head component in NextJS, and this single component is enough for making your entire application SEO compatible. Apart from these implementation details, all the other details told in React and SEO video applies for NextJS as well. So go and check that video as well. So that's it for the day, Makali. Have a great day and see you all tomorrow.